Welcome to Integrated Medicine Perspective. I'm Dr. Wendy Liu. Fiber is one of the major dietary methods to lower cholesterol levels. Oatmeal and spinach are both high fiber foods, but only one of them can help lower cholesterol levels. Which one is it? Though a high fiber diet is recommended for people with elevated cholesterol levels, not every high fiber food has the right fiber to do the job. So we're going to talk about the right food selection for the purpose of lowering cholesterol levels. Let's first give cholesterol a little introduction. I hope you have heard the bad effects of cholesterol, but actually cholesterol is needed for our body. It is the precursor for many hormones, for instance, sex hormones, estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Cholesterol is also the precursor for vitamin D. So it is very important for our body, both structurally and functionally. Of course, too much of cholesterol is harmful. High cholesterol levels are linked to heart attacks and strokes. We can get cholesterol from foods. We also make cholesterol. As a matter of fact, 50 to 80% of our total cholesterol is made by ourselves. Cholesterol is made from acetyl-CoA, a metabolite from sugar, fat, and protein. Just about every tissue in our body makes cholesterol. Then how do we get rid of cholesterol? One of the major ways is by making bile salts. Cholesterol is made into bile salts by the liver. When bile salts are excreted out to the small intestine, cholesterol is out too. This accounts for 40 to 50% of the daily cholesterol elimination. But our body is very smart and frugal. Just about 99% of the bile salts excreted into the small intestine are reabsorbed back to the liver, a process called enterohepatic circulation. When our cholesterol levels are high, we want to block this bile salts recycling. Fiber can help us do the job. The type of fiber that is best at this job is viscous fiber. Viscous fiber and water forms a viscous solution, hence the name. When cholesterol, whether from foods or in the bile salts, is mixed with this viscous fiber and water solution, it becomes much less accessible for absorption. So viscous fiber can help reduce cholesterol absorption from food and also bile salts recycling. Now, oatmeal and spinach, which one has viscous fiber? The answer is both, but oatmeal has a far higher content of viscous fiber. There are some other mechanisms behind oatmeal's action on cholesterol. One of them is that oatmeal is rich in fermentable fiber. Fiber fermentation by the gut bacteria produces short-chain fatty acids. Short-chain fatty acids, in turn, regulate metabolism and reduce cholesterol production. Spinach, on the other hand, its fiber is mostly resistant, so it's not a major source for short-chain fatty acid production. So, oatmeal's action on cholesterol is unmatched by spinach. Another type of viscous fiber, which we're very familiar with, is psyllium, the major ingredient in Metamucil. People take it for bowel regularity. Just like oatmeal, psyllium can also reduce cholesterol absorption from foods and reduce bile salts recycling. But unlike oatmeal, psyllium is resistant fiber, so it's not a major source for short-chain fatty acid production. Psyllium's ability in reducing cholesterol is far less than that of oatmeal. Viscous fiber and fermentable fiber are both rich in whole grains and legumes. These are the major dietary forces in reducing cholesterol levels. People with elevated cholesterol levels can benefit from eating more whole grains and legumes. A diet that only has lean meat and leafy vegetables though may be high in fiber content, does not help lower cholesterol levels very much. I hope you enjoyed the topic. Please leave comments and questions. For more integrative medicine topics, please subscribe. I will see you soon.